Hey traders, I want to do a quick little update for you across gold and silver. I've been watching some of the intraday charts on gold and silver, and I think we're about to get some nice rising action out of these gold and silver markets. I'm going to share with you the reason why. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into it. So I want to share this with you. So I'm looking at gold right now on the hourly charts, and I'm noticing a few things here. The first thing I'm noticing on the hourly chart. So this is probably going to be in effect for a few days. I have already seen that. This is the daily chart I'm looking at right now. I have actually seen that we're probably likely to start to see a rise out of gold real soon. And I've been watching this on the daily charts, and I did a video, I think it was yesterday, saying that I do believe we're likely to start to see a bit of a rally coming out of gold real soon. So, and I've been watching this coming in, and now I'm looking at this hourly chart. Look what we have here. We have, as you can see how we actually have this strong move down from there to there, and then a strong move up. In fact, the move up is actually much stronger. There's a lot more buying than there was on the selling. What I mean by that is this. Let me just share this with you. This is actually called. This is what's called who's got out of the selling leg and the buying leg. Who's stronger? So if I looked at this look here, if I say that was the selling leg, and this was the buying leg, well then obviously the selling leg is a lot more steeper. See how it's almost vertical on the downside, and then it's slowly going across. Obviously, if this was a boxing match, right, and we're saying, okay, who's winning, the buyers or the sellers, right? Well, obviously the sellers are killing the buyers, makes sense? And then we get another move like that. With me so far? So if we end up getting strong sellers, weak buyers, we tend to get strong sellers again. So right now we're getting this sort of move down, but then we've got a very strong move up, and now we're getting what? We're getting these sort of strong or sort of weak sort of buying period again. So it does look like that we're probably likely to start to see this movement to the upside. We're probably likely to start to see something like that. We may continue sideways for a bit more, but then I wouldn't be too surprised to actually start to see a rise in gold here. So that's what I'm seeing there with gold, and I can see how that this level through here, this top level through here, around about that 1750 is that, and probably even where it is right now, about that sort of 1720, 1750. If we can start to get a bit more sideways and then the market starts to pick up from there, then we're probably likely to start to see some really nice. We're probably likely to see gold then rally back up towards the 1750 level. Again, this is only an hourly chart. Man, I bit my tongue. So looking at for silver as well too. Silver's doing the exact same thing. So silver, look at this here. So we had a strong move down, a strong move up, and now we're getting this sort of movement down. Notice how the angle here is, see how it's a lot more slower, right? See how this one is a lot more sort of falling off a cliff sort of thing. It's like it's a very strong move down. The move up. This was the last selling leg here, but notice how the angle is a lot more slower. That's telling me that we had strong buys. Now we're getting this weak selling period. So that tells me that we should start to see a bit of a break coming soon, and we're probably likely to start to see something like that again. And silver does look like it's probably going to start to see a move. If we start to get a break above sort of the $18, the $19 level, then we're probably going to head back up towards the $19.50 level. And if that happens, then that could be the start of a move back up. It does look like we could start to see a move back up towards maybe even the 20 level, maybe even just below the 20 level there. So we could start to see this being a bit of a short-term double bottom, and then possibly even a rise out of the markets through there. So I hope that helps you out there, traders. I just wanted to quickly give you guys an update for you guys that are doing intraday trading and you're watching the charts there. Then this is what I'm seeing right now. Why we could see a nice rise in gold and silver there, guys. Make sure you head on down. I'm running a bit of a sale right now. bit of a master trader bundle. Here's what you get. Video number 1 is about the number 1 chart reading technique and trading technique that has been working since the 1950s. Video number 2 is the trading boundaries that shows you the best and worst time to place a trade. Video number 3 is about price and time phases so you can understand what's going on right now and what's to come. Video number 4 is about price and time going deep. This is advanced here. Video number 5 is about a powerful chart reading strategies, an hour and 20-minute full deep training on the best trading techniques on the planet. Bonus number 1 is my number 1 powerful short-term trading system. And then also bonus number 2, you get access to a live event. If you go to johnsflashstyle.com, or there should be a link in the description, go get that right now, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.